Hey guys, welcome back. So I wanted to show you guys how I got this eye look. So let's get started. I did my brows off camera real quick, and then I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the concealer, and then I'm gonna set it with some translucent setting powder. So for my transition shade, I'm just gonna go in with my ABH bronzer just to trans up the transition area, and I'm gonna blend it down into my lower lash line as well. And then this is the star of the show, which is the Natasha Denona holiday palette, and then I'm just gonna go in with the only matte shade that it has in that palette. And as I'm blending it into my crease, and I'm just gonna wing it out as well with the same brush, and then bring it down into my lower lash line. I'm stamping and blending, and I'm stamping and blending just to get the best color payoff that I want and to make it like really blown out. And then I'm gonna take that goldy shade that's in the palette and pack it on with my finger. The camera just does not do this eyeshadow justice. It's so beautiful and sparkly and stunning. I'm obsessed with it. So then I'm going to take the lightest shade in the palette, and for this I'm going to use a Morphe like pointy brush just to blend the inner corner highlight and the middle shade. And then I'm popping on some Intoxicating Lashes by Flutter Lashes, and I'm going to adjust that with tweezers. Then I'm gonna take the blue in the palette, and I'm running that on my lower lash line just to give it that pop. And then I'm gonna use any gel black liner in my waterline, and then I'm gonna use a liquid liner just to cover up the lash band. And then with the same highlighting shade that I used in my inner corner, I'm popping it on my brow bone, and I'm gonna shower my face with the Morphe setting spray. And then I'm gonna finish off the look with this Madison liquid lipstick by Lady Burgundy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.